Hi, this is Ricky. I'm at Dwelling Design here at LA, and I'm here with Kevin, who's the VP of Bazzeo. Kevin, can you tell me a little about yourself and how you got started with Bazzeo?
Well, I've been involved in the kitchen and bath industry for about 25 years, and started off as a kitchen designer and moved up into upper management and a design consultant, and I finally wound up in product design and product development, which was Bazzeo. So it come almost full circle in many ways.
All right, and I hear a lot about just being around here, talking with the people here. The term Bazzeo kitchen comes up a lot. So Kevin, what is a Bazzeo kitchen?
Well, a Bazzeo kitchen is a green kitchen. It's made of sustainable and renewable resources and products, green in nature, and with a high international style, made in the U.S.
So what are some of the products that are in the ideal Bazzeo kitchen?
Well, you would find a kitchen that would be made of recycled material. That would be the primary aspect, and then combine that with recycled countertop materials like Caesarstone, energy efficient appliances like Fagor, and we become the foundation for these different elements.
Speaking of Fagor, I see that behind you there's a Fagor appliance right here.
This is a magnetic induction cooktop, and this is the most energy efficient form of cooking on the planet today, and it uses about a tenth of the energy of traditional gas or electric.
What enables it to do that? Like, what are some of the technologies?
Magnetic induction is basically it's cooking with a radio wave, and what it does is it stimulates the iron molecules in the cooking vessel. The surface never gets any hotter than what it is right now. It doesn't generate heat. What it does is generate heat in the cooking pot. So in this way, you can cook. You can boil roughly 2 liters of water in 4.5 minutes compared to 11 minutes on a traditional cooktop.
I see. And is this a ventilation right here? Also,
yeah, this is a new angled hood ventilator, and it's they're again based on energy efficient, and it works on a natural draw. So it's much more like you would have seen in a teepee or an old Yurga hut. So it's based off old technology and a new package.
I see. Are there any other interesting appliances further along the wall here?
This is a convection oven, which is cooking with hot air. And so what it does is the air will circulate in the cavity about 90 times a minute, and what it does is it seals whatever it's cooking. So it keeps the juices and the moisture in, and doesn't dry meat out. And it cooks very. I'll tell you, you never had the best chocolate chip cookies on the planet are cooked in a convection oven, because there again you get the crispy outside and the chewy inside. But it cooks. It's fast. It's about it's not as fast as a microwave, but probably almost half as fast as a conventional oven. And then this is a fully integrated coffee machine. And it's built in, and it'll do. You can do cappuccino, lattes, almost any type of coffee drink, traditional American cup of Joe. So it's all of the newest technologies.
So, is it energy efficient because it takes less time to?
Well, yeah, it takes less time, and it's not generating heat in the traditional sense where you have radiant heat, which is just heating a cavity and it's constantly regulating itself. Here, once you heat that hot air up, it takes less energy to move. You're not constantly heating up, but you're moving it, and it takes less energy just to move the air because it has a fan instead of heating up with like you've seen those old red bars heat up.
Just so potential customers get an idea of some of the prices to expect if they want to turn their own kitchen into a Bazzeo kitchen, what are some common price ranges that I know you guys do customs kind of design?
It's a custom kitchen, and we literally build each kitchen to the specifications of the individual client. And so, but we've done kitchens in the $10,000 range and as much as $110,000. There again, it depends on the size of the kitchen, the materials that are being used, and the different accessories and features that are included in it. So it really is a wide range, but it depends on what the final product is going to look like.
All right. And Bazzeo kitchens are found within residential and commercial contexts?
We are primarily a residential manufacturer, but we do from the single-family home to multi-high rises. We've been now being more involved in hospitality, which is more commercial. We've been doing room suites and lobby areas, and we've been approached by a few restaurants to create a much more living experience. So where the kitchen is not isolated to just the chef, but they can bring people into almost a kitchen atmosphere.
So I assume there's a lot of projects going on for Bazzeo. Can you name some of the projects that you guys are doing, and also if there are any new products coming out for Bazzeo, any new developments, anything new that is particularly interesting for Bazzeo at this time?
Well, the projects, we're doing quite a few, but like most projects, they're sensitive, and a lot of them we can't really overly mention them at this time. So I'm sorry about that. But we work with a lot of high-profile personalities and celebrities, which they want something that's new and cool. It's about reinventing product all the time and redeveloping it, and we're always experimenting with new materials. We have the kitchen here you see is made out of what they call reconstituted veneer. We have a kitchen made of paper stone, 100% recycled post-consumer newspaper. We use Corian. We have glass. We have a new material coming out that's made of sugarcane base. So there's our fiber. So there's a lot of things all the time that are evolving. So it's like they say, check back in and see what's new. It's about evolution all the time.
All right. Well, thank you, Kevin, for your time. If I want to turn my own kitchen into a Bazzeo kitchen, how do I do that?
Well, you would go to Bazzeo.com and you just drop us a line or send us your plan, and we'd be more than happy to give you a budget estimate on it.
All right. Well, thank you, Kevin.
Thank you. Thanks for stopping by.
This is Ricky here at Builderoo TV. Thanks for watching us today. This is Builderoo, making green easy.